Did I tell you how divinely and utterly happy I am to introduce you to the Breakfast at Tiffany's Townhouse? I'm Caroline Bass with Corcoran, and this is without a doubt one of the most iconic homes on the Upper East Side. Let me show you around. Located on an idyllic tree-lined street, this townhouse, built in 1910, has undergone an extensive renovation and restoration. This cinematic home has drama, style, and elegance. Everything Holly Golightly would love. This living room is the crown jewel of the parlor floor, and it's the first thing you see as you step inside. And let me tell you, it is quite a welcome. Just look at these 10-foot coffered ceilings. They're burnished in silver leaf, complementing the soft glow from the antique chandeliers beautifully. There's an ornate marble fireplace, custom millwork throughout, and these stunning herringbone oak floors with an ebony inlay. Oh, and there's oversized windows that frame the trees swaying in the breeze. And because they're south-facing, they let in so much light. Oh, this is a nice place for sophisticated suppers, but I'm taking you to the kitchen. And what a kitchen it is. I could spend all day in here. There's calicut everywhere. A custom mosaic tile backsplash imported from Italy. And speaking of custom, look at this cabinetry. And in a place like this, of course, only the best appliances. And this island is the perfect place to have breakfast just a half mile from Tiffany's. Before we go upstairs, let me show you a few gems downstairs. There's a library and an office. This cozy den. And this lovely and private backyard. As Holly Golightly sang, don't want to sleep, don't want to die, just want to go a-traveling through the pastures of the sky. And with your own outdoor space, that's exactly what you can do. With a place like this, summer soirees will never be the same. But you'll definitely need to serve your guests champagne. Let me show you where the stash is. Hi, Holly. Look at this Tuscan-style wine cellar and tasting room. You just need to make sure none of your guests go, timber! This is the primary suite, which occupies the entire 4th floor. It includes a dressing room fit for a movie star, a marble bathroom that you will die for, and a generous bedroom with its own fireplace. I mean, couldn't you just see Holly Golightly sipping champagne in a bubble bath right here in this tub? And for strumming Moon River on a summer night, this setback terrace. There's no better primary suite to chase away the mean reds. As you've seen in this spectacular townhouse, dizzy with excitement is no mere phrase. Thanks for coming by, and I'll see you at Tiffany's.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.